Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam, Leonardo, Tango.
In this video, again, we're going to be giving you a figure that you can use it tonight, right away at the Milonga.
It's very beautiful. It's a little parada, paradita. And at the end, we have a colgada, very tiny colgada, mini colgada for social dancing, of course.
Before we initiate with the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, leave a like if you're enjoying this.
Activate the bell for notifications, and let's go to the video.
Now here back at the dance floor, we are going to show you the step that we were working. We are very excited about this because you on your comments, you are letting us know that you like this. So we are going to show you first. We do one, pa pam, zoom, zaram, pa 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 pa, some, and resolution one, zoom, pam, pa.
I love it because I feel I'm floating. I have time to do embellishments. I'm doing punteos. I could do one or more, depending on how much it's rotating. But the lines of the legs and the figure for the follower can be very beautiful if you follow this technique that we are going to show you now.
Yes, and make sure to watch this until the end because we have more tips, and also not to hurt your follower, your partner, yes, because there are things that we may hurt her.
Yes.
Yes, so we are doing this. Side step, one, leaders. We're going to rotate her but holding her up. If we lower, she may step. We don't want that. We're going to step around her. Did you notice that my right foot is surrounding her? And now, keeping her up, I'm going to do almost like an ocho lead. I'm opening very, very much my left without closing my right. Yes? So I'm opening both. Now, at this moment, did you see my foot here? So make sure we're going to touch, but with the front part of our foot, not with the heel because you're going to hurt her. Tuck, just a little tap. And now we're going to send her out. Can you see that I'm sending her out not with my torso? It's mainly with my right elbow, expanding. At the same time, I'm stepping around. Zoom, lifting, breathing even more than before. And from here, slowly, gently, back side, and walk out for a normal resolution.
Good for followers. We are doing something very special that we cannot do in other figures because of the shape. We are keeping the feet together with him, but upper body gets apart. So it's a little bit of off-axis position, very tiny, kind of what we were doing on the 90s, before the extreme colgadas. We were doing this a little bit opening on top and keeping the feet together. So we are using this here, side. Okay, wait, we have something to let you know.
We would like to invite you to check out our website, miriamleonardotango.com, because we have our online tango school, which is online tango training.
A lot of videos, a lot of lessons, classes, 2 times a week. You can practice followers, leaders, together, tango, vals, milonga, tango nuevo, all you need to be great at the dance floor.
Recently, we just released our new course, which is called Your First 10 Tango Steps.
You will enjoy it a lot. Now, let's go to the second part of the video. Here, side, returning. If you go in very slow motion, let's show them this position. See, the feet are together, but I'm opening, I'm stretching the position, and he's sending me out a little bit from the upper body. Not sending the leg much, it's almost on the same position, but the energy is back.
It's like so a V shape. Sorry.
Yeah, we create like off-axis position. It could be a little bit, it could be a little more, or really extreme if you want, depending on where you are. But this happens after the parada, after the little touch. Here we have that motion, opening upper body, keeping the legs in one point, and then we go from here to the resolution. And back side together. So try to create that. Don't do this in axis. Don't try followers to be on your axis when you are returning to the front, because then it's not wrong, but you're not going to feel the effect of this step.
Yeah, and leaders, in order to have that, again, we have to send her expand. I always try to, whenever Colgada is involved, we have to expand. Sometimes we think, okay, I have to send her out, and I do this, pushing. This is not expanding. We have to, one arm is to hold her, tell her, you are safe, I got you, because this is not moving forward. So whatever happens, she knows that she's safe by pulling this one, yes? And the other one is the one telling her, okay, we go out. Yes, did you notice that I'm moving my right side, not both arms? This is very, very important for the leaders.
For followers, keep the right leg straight. Be careful, can we show them on this angle? If when you're returning, your right foot is bent, your right leg is bent, then we have to create the other figure, the other colgada, and this is different. So keep the right leg stretched. So we do this, look the position of the right leg, and follow him for the end. Now, let's go to the same place, and let me show you the moment where I start pivoting, because he's giving a lead. If we are not pivoting by ourselves, it will be too heavy for them. It's no way they can create that bouncing, returning, and show it like very smoothly. So we have to be able to pivot after this little touch, stop here. Now here, as soon as I feel a lead from the leader to go back to place, I'm pivoting a lot on my right foot. I'm doing my work to go back to the front, flying the other leg in the back, and making this move smooth. Now let's go back to the little paradita. When I do that, I'm able to do the punteos and fit together to the front and to the side. So because I have the right leg pivoting from the foot, as soon as I feel the lead, I'm using my toes effort to do that pivot, then that will align the whole body, and it's very easy for them to make it look very smooth and go around and play with the punteos.
That little thing that she's explaining is very, very important. Otherwise, if you are practicing this step and you feel that you are falling towards the leader, it's because you are not pivoting. Why? Because the follower, when it's pivoting, it's much easier for us to feel your leg remains behind while you are pivoting the front. That gives us counterweight, yes? If you don't pivot and you bring your leg by itself, you're rushing, yes? I feel the weight of your leg coming towards me, and I'm thinking, okay, I'm leaning a little back to give you counterweight, and you all of a sudden, you bring your leg, you're rushing me, yes? So if that's one of the problems that you're having with this figure, might be that little pivot.
So right leg is front, left leg is in the back. It never gets to the side. Left leg is in the back, so I can pivot all the time with my left leg in the back, 100% of the time doing the punteos. And when he stops, I go feet together front. That's the little secret here. Okay, let's show you just one more time. All together, so we go one and parada, punteos, punteos, front and side, slow, quick, quick, slow. Congratulations, you got to the last part of this video.
Make sure to leave a like before you leave this video.
Share with your friends and see you soon.
Bye.